your girl, the Jackie Jackson, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. And I am so excited to share with you my new course, Tax Deed Genius. So if you ever wanted to invest in tax liens, if you ever wanted to learn how to invest in tax deeds, buying properties for pennies on the dollar directly from the counties that either you live in or counties across the country, if you've ever wanted to learn how to be a surplus recovery company and be able to assist former property owners in obtaining their overages from the county, this is a course for you. Make sure that you are here in the right place, right time, doing the right thing. All right, I'll see you in Tax Deed Genius.